Hi everyone, today we'll make a raspberry and peach smoothie. I promise you're gonna absolutely fall in love with this fruity flavor combo. And the best part is that you can't screw up this smoothie. It will be tasty whatever proportions of fruits you pop into the blender, cause peaches and raspberries are like fruity BFFs. Let's get into it. To the blender, add 1 cup of raspberries, 2 sliced peaches, 1 small pear, rose water, my secret love potion. Seriously, if you try it out and get that rose hint at the back of your tongue with every sip of a smoothie, you'll thank me. 1 cup of milk of your choice. You can add either 1 tablespoon of yogurt or some canned coconut milk, frozen or fresh, and we just need to mix it up very well so it's super smooth and we don't have huge pieces of peach or pear skins. And that's it. Pour into glasses and enjoy with some peaches or raspberries on top if you like. The smoothie has beautiful salmon color and the combination of flavor is just so very delicious. The smoothie is thick enough to use the spoon, but still fluid enough if you wanna just pour it in right into your tummy. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried the recipe and what you think. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mugelicious recipes. You might want to check out my Amazon merch with the cutest designs ever. The link is in the description box below. Have a terrific day and see you next Thursday day.